Hi, today we are going to learn how to calculate the product of two numbers in a database in Notion. Here we have created a database consisting of two numbers and we have calculated the product of two numbers using two different formulas. In this database, the first property is the name of the operator, which is the multiply operator, which has a title property. Then we have two numbers each having a number property assigned to it. Then we have the multiply operator formula where we have provided the two numbers as input to calculate their product. So here we have provided 2 and 3 as numbers to get the product as 6 using the multiply operator formula. Finally, we have another formula that simply multiplies the two numbers using the multiply symbol placed in between both. This is how we can calculate the product of two numbers with the help of these two formulas.